Welcome to the Helsey Farm Cottages. This is the Westfields bungalow that we've hired for the week. Comes with a private hot tub, lovely view of some stables. It's 3 bedroomed. 3 bathrooms, 2 bathrooms are en suite. We've only just arrived, so I shall give you a bit of a tour. As soon as you come in, you're in the kitchen area. Big TV on your left. Does ask you not to use the fireplaces. You've got bifold doors that open out into the garden area. 3 big leather sofas. And you can see there's a big island in the middle of the kitchen. There's everything you need, pots, pans, cutlery. Got a nice big American style fridge. They've left some milk here for us, and freezer. There's quite a lot of storage, as you can see. A nice big range style cooker, 5 hobs, hot plate, few ovens there. Let's come around, even more storage. There's your microwave, all built in. It does have a built-in dishwasher as well. This was the kitchen area. I'll take you through and right into the dining room and the living room area. Nice big table set for 6. This is the living room. 2 big sofas, very comfortable. Lovely chandeliers. There's another fire. Does again, it asks you not to use that. A big TV. Probably a 60 to 70 inch TV that. It's very, very large, this place. Going through the hallway. This cupboard, you've got a bit of a cloakroom area where you put your jackets, ironing board, got Hoover, the hallway. You can come in either way. The keys were left in a key safe just outside of this front door when we arrived. Check-in at 4 p.m. Check out at between 9 and 10, they've asked. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. This one looks out to the front of the property. Two double beds, and there's a bunk bed in the smaller bedroom. Let's take you through. There's the bathroom. Both bathrooms are very similar. There's a nice big shower. A rainfall head and a wand. Lots of storage over the bed, and there's a double wardrobe. See through to the second large ensuite bedroom. Very similar in size to the one we've just been in, not as wide. This looks out to the hot tub area, more storage. And a very similar bathroom. Spotlights in the ceiling. Very similar shower to the other. There's two en-suites. You've got a family bathroom. I'll show you in here. This bath's got jacuzzi jets in it. Very nice tiling in here. It's like all the rooms have got digital thermostats. So this looks like it goes through to the second bedroom as well. There's a door there. Onto the third bedroom. Maybe used for a children's bedroom, but you got the storage in here. There's a few coat hangers in each of the bedrooms that I've left for you. Storage, and in here you've got a bunk bed, but a lower bunk is a double bed and a single bed up above. Perfect for 2-3 children. So yeah, it's very well equipped, very large. Easily get 7-8 people. And there you go. We've got a week here. Looking forward to it, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. They've opened the bifold doors so we can go straight out into the garden area. Wow. I've got a wishing well as well. People riding the horses. Ah, it's a fire pit. Perfect. There's your stables. Now we should enjoy this.